My granddad was always seen with his camera, and he called it his third eye. He would relentlessly capture ideas and put them into photographic sketchbooks. He could see what other people couldn't see and would say that you can walk down the street and see nothing, or you can walk down the street and see all of the beautiful colours and textures in nature. My grandfather was a real pioneer, a real innovator, and one day, looking through some holiday snaps, he noticed a remarkable texture of a stone wall. He took the photograph and put it into the darkroom and started to separate the positive and negative, making it into a pattern. I suppose at this point he realised the remarkable potential of this idea, faux texture, photographic texture, which would go on to create a new language of design. He very much believed that faux texture wasn't just taking any odd photograph of nature and putting it onto a design. It was about understanding nature's rhythm and flow, and so he relentlessly would document cracked mud, bark, or straw, reinterpret the designs, chop them up and put them into repeats, and using appropriate colour with the sensibility of the designer to create a unique and interesting product. Tibor's love of colour and texture came from his deep understanding of nature. He always said nature designs best, and it's this philosophy which created such successful designs. By 1956 he had already designed world-famous fabrics for the Queen, the Festival of Britain, and later went on to do the interior of Concorde. But faux texture arguably is Tibor's greatest contribution to 20th century design. He was, I suppose, always looking for new ways of doing things. So when Forbo contacted us to do a Flotex flooring range, we knew that this new digital technique would be something that Tibor would embrace. And in a way, it gives these designs a new lease of life. And I suppose the marriage of Flotex flooring with faux texture as a design is a perfect example of form follows function, bringing innovative flooring into public spaces for today. What's so remarkable about faux texture and how appropriate it is for the Flotex flooring is the timeless nature. They are, in their very nature, classic and modern and appropriate for not only the public spaces of the 1950s and 60s, but are just as suitable for 2016 or 2050.